Whether you're planning to replace your existing roof or install a new roof, metal roofing can be a great alternative to asphalt shingles. The installation is complicated and it's going to vary based on the brand of panels you select. Now, we do not recommend that you install a metal roof on your own. It's a good idea to hire a licensed and insured professional installer. Roofing panels can be made from a variety of different metals, but tin, zinc, steel, aluminum, and copper are the most common. Each metal has its own advantages and disadvantages, so be sure to do some research. You should choose a metal that suits your climate, your budget, and that will enhance the style of your house. Anytime you're on a roof, it's important to take all the appropriate safety precautions. Make sure your ladder is secure at the base and where it contacts the roof. Wear a safety harness and make sure it's anchored to the roof properly. You'll also want to wear gloves, eye protection, and appropriate shoes. And be sure there are no electrical wires or low branches hanging over the roof. The first step of installing a metal roof is to determine how much material is needed. When ordering panels, make sure that they're long enough to run the full length from the ridge to the eave to avoid any horizontal seams. Begin by removing old roofing and repairing any damage. Start from the top of the roof to remove the old shingles and be sure to hammer or pull any nails. Install underlayment to the manufacturer's guidelines and then install a slip sheet, which is typically rosin or felt paper.
This is a self-sealing membrane, but it has to be a high temperature because that copper will get so hot. We don't want the membrane to melt. Over that, there's a rosin paper laid down.
The slip sheet will allow the metal to expand and contract freely, protecting the integrity of the underlayment. Install drip edge along the eaves and rake of the roof, and then cover the seam with more self-sealing flashing.
And I see here you've already installed your drip edge, which matches the color of the roof, and put another piece to seal the joint between the membrane and the drip edge.
Align the first panel so that it's perpendicular to the roof line and overlaps the eave about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. In some installations, the panel may be bent so that it hooks over the drip edge.
So that keeps it from lifting.
Follow the manufacturer's guidelines for screw placement on the panels. Some manufacturers have special clips that allow the panels to expand and contract freely.
Now it's really important that that panel can move, otherwise it might buckle.
Right, as we call it oil canning.
Oil canning, okay.
Yep.
You should also follow fastening patterns specified by local building codes, especially in hurricane-prone areas. Start from the eave and work your way up to the ridge to avoid buckling. Some installations may require a bead of silicone sealant between each of the panels. Standing seam roofs also need to be crimped together. Now, you could use a crimping tool that's operated by hand, but a mechanical seam roller is much faster. It will quickly make a permanent connection along the entire edge of the panel.
A little easier.
Right? That's a time saver. Look at that beautiful thing. That's tremendous.
Continue with all of the remaining panels. Keep in mind, you may need to cut a panel to accommodate roof lines and any penetrations. The final step is to install the ridge cap. The manufacturer will provide a metal cap that attaches with sealant tape, screws, or special clips. Metal roofs have many advantages. Properly installed, they're durable, they can last a long time, save you energy, and they require virtually no maintenance. They also look great, and depending on the style of your house, they can look rustic, traditional, or modern.